Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set and select the type of the pen on the Clip Studio Paint application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Click to the toolbar on the left side on the screen and tap to the pen icon under the pipette. Here you can find more types of pen and you can choose one. You can adjust the pen size and opacity, and you can select the color if you tap to the circle icon. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.